Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your default browser to Google Chrome. So the first thing that you have to do is to go to the Windows icon at the bottom over here, and then you search for the settings icon, and then you click on it. If you can't find the settings icon, then you can type settings over here to search for it. You go there, and then you go to apps on the right, on the left, sorry. And then you search for default apps, you click on it, and you will find this search menu. You will type Chrome, and then this will give you Google Chrome. Then you will click on it. Once you do that, you will find this option that says make Google Chrome your default browser. You click at set default, and then you go to the bottom and you make sure that HTTP and HTTPS, they have both Google Chrome selected. If they don't have Google Chrome selected, then you click on them, and then this will open this window. You select Google Chrome and you click on set default. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.